So hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to make Dr. Octopus from Spiderman No Way Home, his action figure which contains a bending artificial hand. So for making this we need to first take out a print of this picture of Dr. Octopus. Like this you can take out from Google or internet, then draw as it is on cardboard and cut it out. Then paste this image with the cardboard on any one side of it like this, and it will look like this. Then add a velcro or staple a velcro at the back side of it. Now after that take like this bending wire and fold upper part of it somewhat like this, then cover the whole bending wire or roll it with newspaper like this. Roll it completely and check whether it is bending or not, then tape it with cello tape or respective any tapes. It looks like this. Then take a cardboard and cut out some rectangles, small rectangles like this, and it should be of 3 number or 3 quantity. Then bend it like this by adding a triangle shape cuts on its edges. Bend it like this, then stick it with tape on the edge of the bending wire. It shows the movement of these hands. It will look like this after pasting. You can see that the hand size and the length are almost equal. It may vary also, and it bend like this. If you want to make like this bending of it, then add an extra bending wire to it. By following the same procedure you can make different hands of Dr. Octopus like this. One hand or different artificial hands. You can see that there are different hand, one is opening and is all bent together. The hand which is seen in the trailer, I've also made it. You can follow by giving a molding shapes to cardboard, different shapes by different types of folding. Then finally the velcro which has been pasted on the back side of Dr. Octopus, paste it on this bending wire. Then the figure is ready and it look like this. If you want to add a thickness to the figure, then cover it with white paper. After covering with white paper, it gives a thickness, and you can see that it stand also. Now it is waiting for Spider-Man. So let us wait and see whether he meet Spider-Man or not. You can make many more figures from like these steps. So if you appreciated any one part of this video or any single moment of this video, please share, subscribe and like my channel, and a part 2 of it will also be coming soon, and it may be translated in Hindi language also. I will see whether it will be translated or not. Till then please share, subscribe and like my channel, and hit the bell icon to be get notified every time. Thank you.